Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a very beautiful English session. That is, today we are going to learn the different types of questions commonly used in our daily life conversations. Okay, so first let us see the yes or no questions. So then the first question is, do you like coffee? So, how do you answer this question? If you really like coffee, then you have to answer this like, yes, I love coffee. Or if you don't like it, then you can tell, no, I don't like it. Okay, the next question is, have you finished your homework? If someone asks you this question, then how you have to reply is, yes, I completed it earlier. If you have completed it before, then you can answer in this way. Or else, if no, you should tell, no, I'm still working on it. Okay, friends? So these two was the yes or no questions. In this way, you have to answer the questions. So now let us move on to the WH questions. Okay? So WH questions may be like who, what, where, when, why, and how. Okay, so the first one is, if you're asking about the people, then you have to use who. Okay, so the first question in this session is, who is your best friend? Okay, so how do you answer this? You have to tell your best friend's name. That is, my best friend is Sarah. Okay, then next question is asking about the things. How do you ask? You can ask in this way. What's for dinner tonight? Then how do you answer this? We are having pasta and salad. This is the way you have to answer. Okay. So the next question may be like this. What time does the movie start? Okay. You have to tell in a very simple way. It starts at timing 7 p.m. or it starts at 6 p.m. This is the way you have to answer in a very simple way. Okay. If somebody is asking you about the places, like where did you go for the vacation? So how do you answer this? I went to the beach in California. Okay, you have to answer in this way. I went to a park in so and so city. Okay, so next question is, where can I find a pharmacy? If somebody asking you this question, then you can tell like this. There's one just down the street on the left. Okay, there's a pharmacy next to the building. Okay, if however you want, you can answer. Okay, friends. So if anybody is asking you about the timing, like when is your birthday? So how you answer this? Very simple way you can answer. My birthday is on July 5th. Or when does the train leave? So the train leaves at 10:30 a.m. In this way you have to answer. Okay, then if anybody is asking about the reasons for you, reasons may be like, why are you so late? Then how you answer this? Sorry, I got stuck in traffic. Or if anybody is asking, why did you choose this book? Then how you will answer this? I have heard a great reviews about it. So I thought I would give it a try. You have to answer it in this way. I have great reviews about it. Okay, you can tell in this way. Then the next question is choice questions like either or. Okay, the first question is, do you like coffee or tea? Okay, friends, this is called the choice questions. Do you like tea or coffee? So, how you will answer this? I will have tea. Please. You should tell this. Please, thank you, sorry. These are very good phrases in English and it will look very good for the people. Okay. So if anybody asks you, do you want tea or coffee? Then how you will answer? I will have a tea or I will have coffee, please. Okay, friends. So the next question may be like this. Would you prefer to stay home or go out tonight? Then it's your wish. Then how you will answer this? I think I'd rather stay home and relax. Instead of going out, I'll be relaxed at my home. You are telling this. How you are going to tell this? I think I'd rather stay home and relax. Okay. So the next thing we will learn is tag questions like confirmation. Okay. The first question in this session is it is a beautiful day, isn't it? If somebody is you asking like this is what the question tags. Okay, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Then how you will answer? If it is a very good for you also, then you should tell yes, it really is. The weather is perfect. Should answer in this way. Okay. So one more question in this session will take us. You are coming to the birthday party tonight, aren't you? Then how you will answer? Yes, I will be there. Yes, I will be there. Okay, friends? So this is the way you have to answer the tag questions. So the next is suggestion questions. See, next one is how about going for a walk in the park? Somebody is suggesting you that let's go to the park and how it will be, let's see that. Then how you are going to answer that question? That sounds like a great idea. Let's do it. Okay? That sounds like a great idea. Let's do it. Okay? Understood? The next question in this is why don't we try that new restaurant for dinner? The answer for this is I have heard good things about it. Let's go. If somebody is suggesting you, then this is the way you have to answer. So let us move on to the request questions. Okay, the first question is can you please help me with this? If somebody is asking you, how do you answer this? Of course. What do you need help with? Okay, what help do you want from me? You should ask like this. The next question will be, could you pass me the salt, please? Then it's very simple. How you will tell? Sure, here you go. You have to take it and give pass the salt. So how you will tell? Sure, here you go. Okay, friends? So the next question is offer questions. So then offering questions will be like this. Would you like some water? Yes, that would be great. Thank you. In this way, you have to answer. If somebody is offering you something, you have to answer in this way. The next question is, can I get you something to eat? That's kind of you, but I'm not hungry right now. Always you should not tell, please give me, thank you. Okay, so you have to tell sometimes like this also. That's kind of you, but I'm not hungry right now. Okay, this is the questions. The last questions is opinion questions. Opinion, like what is your opinion in this matter? Okay, so the first question is, what do you think of this movie? So if somebody is asking about the opinion, how you will answer this? I really enjoyed it. The acting was fantastic. Okay. So the next question will be, how do you feel about the new policy at work? Then how you answer this? I'm not sure yet. It might take some getting used to. Okay. This is the way you have to answer. I hope this session is helpful for you people. If you have liked this session, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. And also I have made different videos of English for beginners. Please view and enjoy. Thank you.